car doing it now.
Well, we're on our way.
Yeah.
We have officially hit Illinois, so we have managed to stop by 2 McDonald's.
Yep.
We learned a valuable lesson today that when you go to one McDonald's in Indiana, that you get dollar drinks. But when you come to Illinois, those drinks become $2. And then on top of that, gas went from about $4.12 to $4.20 average in Indiana. In Illinois right now, it's $4.50, and diesel is $5.50. So we learned a lot coming here because it's a little different. The roads are a lot better, I will say that, but we are about to hit this place called Salem or something like that. I think we just passed through Salem. So I think we're going to Ina.
Oh,
or
great. Everything's
Inna.
one aisle now, one lane.
Oh, great. Now we're in Arkansas. We've killed about 400 bugs. I'm not even joking with you. God, look at all those, man. Jesus. There's so many bugs. Chris cleaned off the windshield because it was completely covered in bugs. But the coolest part is, look at these gas prices. This is nuts. So we're doing pretty good so far. But we've got a long, long, long way to go. It's crazy. A little dark in here, a little dark and gloomy. So we're in our room at the Candlewood Suites in Jonesboro, Arkansas. Oh, we got some light. Ooh, it's spicy lighting. So it is pretty nice in here, I'm not gonna lie. It does have, believe it or not, a full kitchen with a stove and a big full-size refrigerator. Let me show you that. Look at that. Refrigerator. It's got a washer and dryer, or not washer and dryer, but a dishwasher. It's got a damn dishwasher in it, and then a microwave, sink, stove. It's actually pretty nice, to be honest. I gotta say, for the cheap price, I got it on Priceline for $78 plus tax. That's where they always get you.
Yeah. Oh, it's on me. I was like, wow, who is that? Where are you aiming at?
And it's got a nice bathroom. Look at this. Bam! Bam! You can fit a wheelchair in this biatch. And then it's got its extra special mirror here. Chris calls it the selfie mirror. I call it the
wow.
extraordinary mirror for extraordinary measures.
Gallup Monster.
Gallup Monster. All right, so we are in, I believe, Little Rock, Arkansas. We stayed last night in Jonesboro. Yeah, Jonesboro, Arkansas. We stayed at a Candlewood there. I think I made a video on that, but we just got E85. They only have E85 in Jonesboro, and they only have it in Little Rock, so we had to go that route because it's the only place that has E85. We're at another Come and Go. That's where we got gas last night. It's Come and Go. They all have E85 for cheap. I think I got it for $2.89 there, and I'm in Little Rock now, and I got it for $2.99 a gallon, which is pretty cheap, to be honest, considering in Indiana it's like $4.20 a gallon right now, sometimes $4.50 a gallon. So I'm pretty fortunate to be able to get gas for this price, but hopefully you won't hear the music in the background. I had to stop it. So, but we are in Little Rock. We're getting ready to go to Shreveport, Louisiana. So we'll see how that goes, but excited that we're almost there. I mean, we made it more than halfway. We're doing really good. So we're leaving Little Rock, Arkansas right now and heading to Shreveport, Louisiana. We're gonna get censored on YouTube.
Yeah, copyright and all that.
Nah, we're leaving, what is this? Little Rock. So we're leaving Little Rock right now. Chris is getting his phone up to date so we can do all kinds of crazy stuff on social media.
Yeah.
But E85 is going really well, man. We've mapped it out. We've done really good so far. We're getting into the hard parts now, but we've gotten E85 last night for $2.89. This morning we got E85 for $2.99. So that is helping out tremendously on cost because, man, when gas is almost half the price it is in Indiana, that makes a big difference. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So we're getting ready to head to Shreveport, Louisiana. We'll see how this goes.
We've been getting that a lot lately, by the way. A lot of. I don't know what city we're in. I think we're in Little Rock, I think. But this place is awesome. Here, slow down. Right there. I think we're in Little Rock. I'm almost for sure that's where we are. whole city, man. Is this it? Yeah. Welcome to Louisiana. Yeah, we made it.
Well, we're in Shreveport, Louisiana, and look at that traffic. Yuck.
I timed this wrong in the construction, so we're at a place called R&W. It's the only place that has E85 in Louisiana and this part of Texas. So this is where we're gonna go, and it's actually pretty cheap. It's only $4, so it's not bad.
I think we're entering Texas. Leaving Louisiana, welcome to Texas. First time ever being here, hell yes. That is awesome. Well, we're this close. 11 minutes.
The chevrons, hang on, the chevrons back here, you can't see them.
Everywhere.
They are so bright.
We have been driving for 2 days, so 11 minutes makes me super happy in my pants.
All right, so we got our room.
I thought you were doing the room.
So I'm trying to show you the room. It's actually a lot better than I expected, to be honest with you. Like, it looks like a super cheap room online. I didn't want to spend a bunch of money, just something to get us to where we can lay down. But look at this big ass TV, man. That's not bad. We got
a small 40
We got some Houston art behind us. Look at that.
40-inch.
Look at that art.
Hey, I'm actually gonna
That's better than what I can
I'm
do.
gonna try and duplicate this picture if I can.
Yeah. I honestly think this is a really nice room. Here's the kicker. This is where it gets crazy.
Here's the kicker.
Look at this. The kicker.
Here's the kicker.
Full-size refrigerator, baby, just like our last hotel. We got some nice, look at that. Look at that. It's actually pretty nice in here.
Basic ass password.
Password is password.
Damn here.
But it's even got a hair dryer. I mean,
Oh, I gotta dry these luscious locks.
I mean, honestly, this room is not bad at all. I have to say, I'm actually thoroughly.
If you can get, bro, that's far away. It says, welcome TX2K fans. Yeah, you're better right there. You need to see it. We in this. Yeah, you need to see it. Yeah.
Plus, it's your first time ever coming here, man.
Yeah, go for it. Go, do your
Okay,
thing.
I got you. Act like you're ordering.
You don't mind being on YouTube?
Oh no,
Alright,
I
okay.
don't mind. So we're here to go.
I'm just to go. My
No, they're
man's
here.
here.
No, dude, we're gonna eat it here. It's
Huh?
eating here.
Yeah. Well, to go, whatever. My man's here hooking up my first Whataburger order. I appreciate you, bro.
Hey, I have my snap.
Tell
Christian
everybody.
underscore R0YER.
What is it? One more time.
Christian underscore R0YER.
Man, I got you. This dude.
I didn't even know his name was the same as yours.
know.
Okay, we gotta see that again. One more time. Oh, yeah.
One more.
All right, we're at the Whataburger in Baytown, Texas.
We'll tag it. How you saw that so low?
All right, first night in Baytown, we go to Whataburger.
Let's go.
Oh my goodness, Becky!
I pushed that out pretty hard.
That was pretty good.
She said.
5 or 6. If the rain holds off and we get 3 full rounds of qualifying, I will open it back up for some testing towards the end of the day to give you guys